Oh, hi guys, my name is PB and welcome to Be Real TV. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a to-do list with HTML and CSS. Let's go. So now open your VS Code and your browser. Create a file inside your VS Code with the name to-do.html. Then it will bring out all these details. Then here inside the body write div, close the div, then here give it an ID like container div. Copy that ID, go to your store, then style the ID as a text, align center with 100% height auto. Then inside the div container we'll write our tags, which is our input tag and our button tag. Input, close the input, inside the input type equals to text. Inside that text give it an ID. Let's say to do input. Create a button, add ID equals to what? To do button. Then after that copy the first ID, paste it here with the hash. Let's tie it. Let's see what we do. So this is what we have done so far. So this is what we have done so far. With let's say 100 px height auto, padding top, let's say we have like 5 px side, we have let's say 3 px the other bottom, the other side. So margin auto. Let's see what we have. Let me see that. So let's do the same thing for the button. Copy the button ID, paste it here. Here we can have auto. Let's see what we have. So what we have here. Then let's style this with color. Let's say back color orange, red. No, let's say black. Background. We can have beige. Then our border radius, let's say 5px. Our border, let's say 2px. Solid orange red. So let's see what we have. So this is what we have so far. So let's start the button the same. Let's see what we have. So let's change the button to black, or let's say orange, red. Here we can have white. Save. So what we have now. So we can have cursor, pointer, I see. Same thing with this. You can write anything there. Then at the bottom, you can have another div without tags. Let's say inner div. Let's call it inner div. So that one, let's start it. Yeah. So inner div, the width will be what? Let's say 150px. Height, auto padding. You can have like top, fx, bx, margin, auto, color, edge, background, color. Can change the color to, let's say, black. Let's see what we have. So this is what we have so far. Then let's give it a margin 12 px 0 0 0. So that's what we have. So look, and here display goes to inline block. So this is what we have now. Let's add something inside. You can add div id equals to, let's call this one let's say, okay, to do div. So inside that to do div, we can have span close span. Inside that span, let's say id equals to do span. Let's add something inside that span. Let's say brushing up your teeth. Let's copy the to do div. So to do div. Okay, let us give it a background. You can have anything that will pop. Let's use this one. Let's see what we've done. Okay, can you see? Okay, let us change it to like orange red. Okay, so we have it here. The width, auto, height, auto. That's all for that one. You can use border, can use it for the inner too. And for the to-do span, you can copy this, paste, copy the to-do span ID. Don't need it. We really need color white. See, let's see what we have. Can you see that? Can have our font to be font size to be 12. See, so this is what we have now. As you can see, this is what we have. So to make it functional, I'll be making it functional in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.